black, yellow, and is paste black, and Jeep is very nice and beautiful model. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel with a new video. Friends, you can see this is very nice and beautiful place, and here a empty bucket, and also you see here many toy vehicles. So now this collecting bucket I take, and all of these toy vehicles collect and introduced with you. Let's go. Wow, first one is a wrap Jeep. This is very nice realistic model, black and red color combination. This wrap Jeep is very nice and beautiful model, so I collect this one at my bucket. And this one is very nice power backhoe. This is a yellow and black color combination, this power backhoe. Wow, see, this is a realistic model power backhoe. And here is a DS Tarjan car. This is a paste black and a pink color combination. This car is very nice and beautiful model, so I collect this one at my bucket here. And here, wow, this is a police car. You can see this is a green, black and silver color combination. Nice model 910 police car. Oh, this is a cartoony Jeep. See, this is a black, yellow and pink color combination, this nice Jeep. So I collect this one at my bucket. Wow, here is a cartoony car. See, this is very nice, brand new cartoony car. Green, black and silver color combination, this car. And now I take a fast food delivery car. This is also realistic model. You can see this is a blue, pink and paste color combination, this car. Wow, friends, this is a realistic model dirt bike. See, this is a blue, black, red and white color combination, this nice model bike. So I also collect this one at my bucket. And this one is a luxurious car here. This is a black, red and silver color combination, this nice luxurious car. This is my favorite car, so I collect this one at my bucket. So friends, I will collect more toy vehicles. Oh yes, here is a metro rail. This is very nice 6-wheeler metro rail. See, this 6-wheeler metro rail. This is a red, black and white color combination, and here is many Ben 10 sticker. So I collect this metro rail at my bucket. And this one is the last one in this place. See, this last one vehicle is 911 emergency police helicopter. See, this is nice realistic model police helicopter. This is a white, yellow and black color combination, this helicopter. So I also collect this one at my bucket. So friends, one by one all of these toy vehicles I collect and introduced with you. You can see my bucket is fulfilled with many toy vehicles. So now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many color combination vehicles.